Since I moved to Australia, I thought I will never find some adventure like I've done in my hometown. But this place proved me that I was wrong. So this is the story of me finding Australian paradise. So and welcome to Royal National Park. This walk could be like an hour. So we just land our foot on the first step of the track. So wish us luck to get a good view. Just gonna follow the track and look at the view behind me. It's just amazing. Maybe you can't see it because there's the trees on the way, but believe me, this is amazing. And because we start here so early in the morning, no one's here, so it's like a private walking trip. So this is what I like. Start early in the morning, avoid the crowd, which is perfectly fine. But you know, oh, here's the view. Quite amazing, right? Yeah, I am amazed. Well, sadly, we overslept a bit, and then we can't catch the sunrise. Our plan yesterday was get here early in the morning, start walking 6 o'clock, get there at 7 when the sun rises. So yeah, that's not happening, but be grateful. It's still a good walk, and of course with a good view. Getting steep now, but yeah, of course, that's why you call it hiking. Oh yes, good point. If you start here early enough, believe me guys, you don't have to pay any entrance fee. That's one trick for you to avoid the fees. For backpacker, it's gonna work, but again, the benefit of the early start is no crowd, no fees, a bit cold, a bit sleepy, yes of course, and my eyes is red right now. Maybe you can't see it, but it is red. So yeah, and enjoying the view. It's like your private own walk. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, if you climb Here we're gonna do this kind of adventure. For this place you need to bring your own snack, your own drink, because there's no shop around here. It's basically like straight wildlife. Have you ever seen the fresh water made out with ocean water? Here.
Watch me, just follow every move. Touch me, let me know you want it too. Don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe. No, we don't have to leave. The night is still young. All we need is now. Don't ever let me go. We got the whole night.
I don't know if you can't see it, but this is it. This is what I'm talking about, like cliff, and then you might not see it, but behind me is a waterfall. It goes in the ocean. It's pretty amazing. But to the Toronto, this is good.
But don't wait for too long. Just hold me. We're right where we belong.
Now what we're gonna do is heading out home. Before that, we're gonna have our breakfast because we're starving.
The night is still young. Stay in the
Love this place, and also I definitely gonna come back on a sunrise time, when of course when we don't oversleep. So yeah, I'll definitely recommend for you guys as well to come and check this out. We got pretty lucky though, it's Sunday, but we missed the overcrowded. So yeah, I don't know if it's like it's already famous or not yet, but I think for sure this place is gorgeous. Yeah, I think this place only famous in the sunset spot, not the sunrise. So another tip for you guys, pick the sunrise if you don't want to deal with the crowd, because like 9 o'clock already and so many people already like walking up. Yeah, I already passed like couple people. So yeah, is me or just people are so friendly here and say hi even though we don't know each other. It's good because usually when I hike a mountain, like right now it's just become a trend just to get like social media like proof, like get a good picture and likes and views. But the point is, you're in the jungle, you're in the wildlife. What happens if you need help? So just be friendly to others, please. Come on. Come on. Yep. That's one. Oh yeah, guys, if you like struggle to walk or it's like it's getting too tired, this place literally just 20 minutes from the where you park, and the view, it's already stunning. So you don't have to come all the way along to Eagle Rocks, but be my guest, up to you. And finally we make it to the car park. Back to the car park. Well, overall the review is this place, check. Do we love it? Do we love it?
Yeah.
You love it? That's good, that's good. So yep, we love it, and you guys visit here, definitely gonna love it. I'll see you guys in the next one. It's just another story.